Okay, I'm going to pick up. This is part two. We already talked about how I created a consolidated dashboard using report parts, and I created this service dashboard gem that combined multiple elements onto one screen. And now what I'm going to do is talk about dashboard delivery mechanisms utilizing a new application called Business Analyzer. And this is new from Microsoft. For Dynamics GP, it shipped for the first time with version 2010 R2, and it can be configured to go backwards, but there is a little bit of work to do that. It can run either inside of the GP application, the rich client application, or it can run standalone, which is how I'm running it right now. And basically, what it does is it presents the user with kind of a slideshow of their different graphs. And I've only optimized a couple of graphs for my installation because my installation is kind of unique. But the idea here is just to give you an idea of what you can do. You can look at the report information. Where is it pulling from? You can go right to the browser and view the report that this is rendering locally. You can edit the report if you have access to do that. You can copy the report image if you're going to take this out to Word or incorporate this chart into something else. You can do that. You can change the date. And there's a couple of different views, so I can just continue to page through here, and these reports automatically will refresh based on some settings that I'll show you in a second. But I can also go to full screen mode if I want to look at them a little bit bigger, or I can go to dashboard mode if I want to see all of them at the same time. I tend to like to use the split view mode. The split view mode, just because I can kind of see what's up next. The way that you set this up is there are these options, and you can have it set up by roles. I haven't gotten that far, but on the report selection, you essentially just go to the folder that you want to pull from and pick the report that you've already created that you want to show up in here and insert it in just by clicking this insert button, which I've done on several of these, as you can see. And that's really all you have to do, other than I did at setup, I did tell it where my report server is. So that's how it knew the front end of these link locations. It knows the report service location. And that's pretty much it. So I'm going to stop it there, and let me know if you have questions.